Hi traders, this is David. I want to show you a trade I took on the Euro New Zealand. I'm not in profit yet. As you can see currently, I haven't even paid my pip spread yet. But I'm making this video to show you guys what happens when you see a valid wave bottom situation. So good or bad, I will make an update on this video and let you guys know how it goes. So currently I'm on the 4-hour chart and you can see this valid wave bottom situation, but I'm going to do a top-down analysis and show you why I decided to go in with market order on this trade. So going to the monthly chart, you can see here that we are in, it's in an uptrend. Okay, it's not a very strong uptrend yet, but I believe it's building strength. Okay, because we have a long rundown in price. Okay, and we have this positive divergence situation here and the retracement, and then a beautiful wave bottom situation on the monthly chart, which if we were to plot will give us profit targets to this level and up. Of course, we are talking about the next few years, but right now I believe that it's just about to gain momentum. So let's go down to the weekly chart and see what we see. On the weekly chart, we have another situation here. We have the EMA cross shown by this green arrow. We have the cross here as well. So all this points to this trend going up. And I actually placed my target profit just before the top of the last area of resistance, which is roughly or approximately rather 320 pips. So if I make this trade, this is still a very good swing trade. Okay, so you can see here the wave bottom situation on the our weekly chart, and I will just plot the APAC there. By the way, guys, I call it the APAC because I abbreviate it from the Apex Alpha calculator. Okay, you can call it the profit target calculator. You can even call it the wave calculator. It doesn't really matter. I just like to call it the APAC because it sounds snazzy to me. So anyway, by plotting the APAC on the wave bottom situation here, you can see that we are just beginning the third wave. Okay, so if you had seen this, you would have seen that the 79, or rather, yeah, just between the 79 and 62 was a good level to have gone in with an entry level buy here. Okay, and then the market went up and retraced again, and most likely a 50% retracement order would have taken you in here again. So we have this move. Now all this is happening on the weekly chart. Okay, let's go to the daily chart and see what we see. So on the daily chart, we have this. Of course, we still have another wave bottom situation here. Okay, and then this retracement. So if I were to plot this move from here all the way to the top here, do you see how the 55% retracement level is still valid here again, even on the daily chart? So that shows you that the 55% retracement is hands down one of the most powerful methods you can use to get into any trade. Look at this place again. Taking it from here and taking it to the top there, voila, just past the 50%. Not exactly the 55, but then it's not an exact science. So of course, if you wanted to take this trade, you will not take them on the high level chart. You would have gone lower. So let's go to the 4-hour chart and see. So that means if I had been on the 4-hour chart, even though it was on the 50% retracement level, at least you would have seen the beginning of the move here. And in fact, there's a small wave bottom situation here. We can call this the first wave, second wave here, third wave, fourth wave, and another fifth. So, but on the 4-hour chart, you can see the very, very defined first wave, second wave, and then the start of the third. So when I came to this chart, actually, I looked it over in less than a minute, and I decided I was just going to take the trade. So I decided to go in with the market order like I just showed here with the 1 lot standard. So what I'm waiting for now is, because I know there will still be another retracement. So once there's another major retracement, then I'll probably go in with another order, maybe a micro lot, and then when it moves up in my favor again, I'll go in with the standard lot. So moving down to the 4-hour or 1-hour chart, you can see that the market has begun to gain strength. Now, if you had seen this move earlier and you decided to go on the 1-hour chart, this is how you would have done it. Okay, so let's go back to the, so now this is the 4-hour chart. Okay, so say you saw this move and you saw this move beginning to go up, you go down to the 1-hour, you wait for any of these retracements would have taken you in. Okay, the retracement of this one to say this one here, see, this would have put you in exactly, or rather in the ballpark area of the 55. Say you put your entry order here. Okay, so you would have just had a small drawdown, and then you'd have had, even this long hammer bar wouldn't have taken you out because your stop loss would have been somewhere here. Okay, or even below this point, say 5-10 pips below this point. So even though this one is an anomaly, if you had gone in correctly, this shouldn't take you out. Okay, but because I entered above, I am safe. So I'm watching the trade right now, and you can see where my profit target is. Let me just plot that here using the 4-hour wave bottom. Let's see now. I think I still have another. Okay, I still have another calculation on here, so I just need to delete that. And okay, so let's plot the APAC again. All right, so you can see I have calculations right up to this point, and I decided to go for the 4th target. Now, ordinarily I would have said go for the 2nd target and be happy with that, but because looking at it from the weekly perspective, I can tell that the trend is up, and from the weekly to the daily, everything points to the trend going up at least for some time. So I decided to place it on the 4th target. Now, I don't know if I'll have the nerve to hang on till then, but let's just wait and see. For now, I'm happy with the decision I made, and I hope to be proven right. So good or bad, I will make an update to this video and show you guys how the trade goes as time goes by. So thank you for listening and have a great day.